Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our backup camera interface with HDMI input for a Mini Cooper. That's where we put the backup camera. This is a convertible one. So that's how the unit looks like. That's MBT, and we add our backup camera to the factory screen, and I'm gonna show you how the unit works by going to reverse. The screen shifts to backup camera, and this Mini came already with backup sensors, so you can see it retains the sensors. And by going to drive, it switched to factory iDrive. Also, we add HDMI input, so you can connect your phone through HDMI to the screen, and you can mirror your phone by holding the menu button for a few seconds. The screen shifts to the aftermarket mode, and I unlock my phone, so I can mirror your phone. I can mirror my phone, and by holding it horizontal, I have full picture. And also you can go to the auxiliary, and you're gonna have sound through HDMI as well. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca or give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to guide you through it. Thank you and have a great day.